Hi Science Center family, so today's video my friend right there is going to be making an experiment which is an example of exothermic reaction. So what's gonna happen right there is that he's gonna make fire without the use of a match to light it up. He's just gonna use these two products, which is potassium permanganate and just the normal glycerin that you use at home. So this fire is basically gonna happen spontaneously. These two products can actually create a flame, and it takes quite a while to see a flame, but eventually you will see a smoke, as you can see right there, and then after a while you would see a flame. And I wouldn't advise you to try this at home. This is just an experiment to show that potassium permanganate and glycerin can make a flame. And if you'd like to see more of these videos, please be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.